When you ghost your LLC and it gets dissolved, or when you stop maintaining it properly, you can lose the entire reason you formed the LLC in the first place. Liability protection. Florida's LLC statute, Chapter 605, provides significant liability protection for LLC members. Under Florida law, members of an LLC generally aren't liable for the debts and obligations of the company, but courts can pierce the corporate veil when the business isn't being operated as a legitimate, separate entity. Florida courts look at several factors, including whether you've maintained proper separation between personal and business affairs, whether you've adequately capitalized the business, and whether you've followed required corporate formalities. If you've ghosted your LLC, you're definitely not holding meetings, and you're not keeping records, you're not maintaining separate bank accounts, and you're probably not filing the required annual reports. Under Florida case law, courts have repeatedly held that failure to maintain these formalities can be grounds for piercing the corporate veil. That means they can go after your personal assets. Now, there's a Florida case that illustrates this perfectly. A business owner formed an LLC, signed contracts, then abandoned the entity without proper dissolution. When the creditors sued, the Florida court allowed them to pierce the corporate veil and go after the owner's personal assets, specifically citing the failure to maintain the LLC as a separate entity and the failure to follow the statutory requirements.